Swish and flick.
I caught myself out. I haven't been brushing my piece and I just got burned on my skin. So we'll see how that goes.
I'm going to stop recording so that I don't lose the finger. So I've got it all ready in the tongs. We have not finished with our taper yet, but we're going to heat up this spot and we're going to cut it on the cutoff, and then we're going to get back to the taper.
This cutoff is a piece of axe head that I cut from an old axe that didn't seem like it was going to get any life after what it went through. So it's got a new life as a forging cutoff.
Hividikidibi.